Hi, everybody. My name is Elisa Shapiro. I am going to be your professor this semester for Financial Accounting 101. I am sending you this video ahead of our class start so that you can use it to help you get acclimated with the course, navigate the course, pay attention to some of the important things I point out, and just what you should be doing first once you're in. So to begin, I'm going to ask you to go to Lion's Den. You can either go to the RVCC website or Lion's Den. I start in Lion's Den. If you go to the website and scroll down to the bottom, they have links. You can click on the Canvas link there. But I'm in Lion's Den and I'm going to click on our class, which is right here, 101 90V Financial Accounting. So once you click on that, you've left Lion's Den, you're now in Canvas. All right, let me slide this over just so you see the whole Canvas front page, most of it anyway, a little bit's cut off over here. But this is the home page, and I ask you to start by reading this. The video I'm creating now will be embedded at the bottom, so you can look at it again right in the Canvas shell. Once you read it, you will be directed to go to modules. This is really let me close some of these up. This is really the skeleton of our course. So the modules are presented in the order in which they should be taken. So I'll just close a few here. We're not going to look through all of them. The very first thing you're going to do, and I am going to send you a video along with this one. It was prepared by Professor Anderson explaining how to get connected with our course materials. So good news. The materials to this course are My Accounting Lab from Pearson, and everything you need was included in the price of this course, so you don't have to buy anything additional. She is going to walk you through this Brightware module, because once you click through this and register with MyLabs, you will be connected with my course in MyLabs. Now, one caveat, you have to always access all your assignments and exams. You have to go into Canvas, click on the link, and then once you're registered with MyLabs, you will be automatically redirected into MyLabs and the corresponding assignment. So keep that in mind. So watch for the video that also deals with the Brightwave course materials. The next module is getting started. So right here, I have everything you need to know to get started. So here is the syllabus. Okay, that's open it, read it, understand what you're being graded on, the requirements, and very importantly, all the due dates are in there and they're firm. Okay, there's discussion boards. I tell you a little about discussion boards. Homework questions. So the discussion boards are made up of two parts. One, I have a couple of research questions, which are really nothing more than some Google searches, but to help you delve into the profession of accounting. And then there's a homework question discussion board. So there's two different types, but they are all mandatory. Okay, next I discuss the tuition, included the your sources, your textbook sources to My Accounting Lab. So there's a video here and there's a video I'm sending under separate cover. I strongly am urging everyone to do that immediately on day one. If you have any issues getting registered, you have to let me know immediately. Waiting a little while and then missing a due date won't really help matters. So please let me know as soon as possible within a day or two of the class start if you are not able to get registered for some reason. I can connect you with the appropriate person. I do believe you may have received an email about materials from Brightware being in your course. If so, make sure you read that thoroughly. And then right here, the last thing, your very first assignment is an introduction discussion board. So go there. I have a post from me and I'm waiting to read the rest of your post telling me a little bit about yourself. Don't forget to respond to one other person. So that's the intro, getting started. Then we start with our course material. Our first chapter is chapter 1. You're going to click on the module and you're going to open the text page. Everything you need to know and do can be directed from this text page. So I have a slight introduction, and then I have a list of things for you to complete in order to complete the chapter. As you see, in some of the items, there are links. Here's a link to your animated lecture assignment. Here's a link to your homework. And here's a link to the discussion board. All of the chapters will have the same assignments. And down here is a link to your PowerPoints. So everything is pretty symmetrical. All the chapters will look the same. Then you will get down to a module like this, which is a special. This is one of my discussion boards, research boards. And then you have your first exam. Okay, that will be on chapters 1, 2, and 3. So test chapters 1 through 3. Here's the link. Again, as long as you're registered, you can go right into MyLabs and take that. And we'll talk more about tests as they come up. Really, that is all I wanted to point out and show you, just so that you know how to get started in the course and how it's organized. I will be online Monday through Friday reading all your posts, answering questions. If there is something that's not getting answered, I usually answer it. If I've missed it for some reason, please send me an email and I will gladly answer the questions. Best way to get in touch with me is via email, and I usually get back to everybody within 24 hours. All right, so that's it, just enough to get you off the ground running. And if you have any questions, reach out to me, and I'm looking forward to a great semester.